Hey y'all, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing some sculpted nails with Madam Glam builder gels, and I will be doing it in two parts. The first part will be the actual sculpting and filing of the nails, and the second part will be the actual nail art. So I absolutely love these builder gels, and I wanted to show you how beautifully and simply they work. So I really like these builder gels by Madam Glam. They don't really run, and they pretty much stay in place where you put them for the most part. Of course, all builder gels are going to move just a little bit, but these have very little movement. They pretty much stay where you put them, which makes them super easy to work with. So anyway, I'm going to let you watch this process of doing these sculpted nails. I'm only going to show you one nail because it's pretty repetitive. So seeing one nail is probably going to be fine. The video is long enough as it is. So I did the design nail art part in a second video. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you do. And I hope you leave a thumbs up and a comment to let me know what you think of these builder gels.
Whip up my appetite.